Okay, so I know what you're saying. Hey, it doesn't look like your shop. What's the deal? What are you restoring today? We're restoring my couch. I sit a lot, as you may recognize, and these seat cushions are worn out. I've checked the springs underneath. They seem good. Frame seems nice and solid. I got my potato of a dog, Matilda, here with me, and we are going to restore these cushions with some foam. Hey, if you find yourself enjoying this kind of content and want to see more, why don't you mash down on that subscribe button? That helps us immeasurably. And then maybe punch the like button and give us a thumbs up and maybe comment and stuff. That helps us bring you more content like this. And now, due in part to the overly litigious society in which we reside, listen to my robot.
Danger, Will Robinson! Danger! No, Will Robinson! Danger!
Alright, so here we are out on my deck because it's like 55 degrees today, and that's really warm for this time of year, up in the Great White North. You might hear an airplane going over every once in a while. But here are the cushions, or at least one of them, and I got one there and I got one more over there. So they have a zipper on them, so we're just gonna unzip the zipper. And here is the foam with some taffeta, or I don't know what they call it, some additional padding that's on the foam. Let's try to roll this down. There we go. Now this is usually glued on with some like upholstery glue, but it comes off pretty easy, especially when they're 20 years old. Okay, so I'm just going to take my time a little bit and try to get as much of this off as I can. I think I might reuse that this white stuff here, or get on the Amazon and just buy some. I tried that and they were out of the right size, so you can get a roll. These are big cushions. They're 30 inches wide. You need 30 inch, not 24. So they did not have it. They do sell it, but they were out of stock, so I didn't have it in time for this video. So all I'm doing is taking my time a little bit. I'm not just ripping it off, right? And I'm pulling this back. You can see that that glue is more than done, and you can also see that this cushion has seen some better days. It's probably 20 years old. They say in where I bought the new foam from that it lasts 5 to 7 years. Well, this is a lot older than 5 to 7 years. I'll tell you that right now for free. And I'm just taking my time. And this comes right off. I mean, I'm just pulling it a little bit, and it comes right off. And I'm leaving just a minimal amount on this cushion here. And this guy's just going to get thrown away. But I'm going to try to reuse this, because this seems in pretty good shape. All right, let's go to the next one. Okay, again with the zipper. And again with the airplanes. Geez, I don't know, it must be in the flight path time nowadays. All right, and you can see that foam is just falling apart. Oh, all right, actually got some of that taffeta. Now, I have done numerous truck and car cushions, but I've never done home cushions. I'm assuming they're the same, but we'll see. All right, wow, this is just falling off. There's just a little bit of glue left on this side. Oh yeah, just falling off. Okay. A little sticky down here, but not too bad. All right, that's it. We got them stripped out. So what am I gonna do? Well, I think as long as I got them apart, what I'll do is I will run these through the washer, the washing machine, the covers, which are also in good shape. No rips, no tears. The zippers are all good, all that stuff. So I think I'll run all that stuff through the washer. I'll shake this stuff like a Polaroid picture, okay? And I'll shake all those little stuff off, and then we'll just get the new foam out here, and we'll cut it, and we'll put them back together. All right, so I have measured those cushions, and they are 27 by 30. So I'm going to measure 27 inches here, and this is 30 inches wide. I bought it specifically because it was that long. It's actually about 31, so we'll see how that works. And I'll measure 27 up here, so I can get 2 lines. Even though I have a square here, I want to make sure I get this just right. Right there. Sharpen pen. Nice mark. All right, so now this stuff's 4 inches thick. So what I have is my steak knife, but I sharpened it just before I came out here. You can shave with this thing. So I'm gonna use this to try to cut this very straight. It's still gonna take probably a couple of passes. But that cuts it pretty good, I'll tell you right now. Okay, let's see if we can try to get all the way through this guy. Almost. Yeah, this is a very sharp knife. There we go. Okay, 27 by 30. So now what we should do is probably get some glue and glue that top on. Okay, what I have here is some 3M high strength 90. They make them in, I think, 3 different strengths. The smaller the number, the lighter the hold. 90, I think, is as high as they go. 77 is the one down from this. I don't know what the other one is. I've used 77 for like some auto upholstery stuff that I've done in the past. But this is what I have, so this is what I'm using. So you just spray it on both surfaces, let it dry a little bit. So now I'm spraying it on this taffeta here, and I'll just, you know, this basically just holds it in place. It's not structural, you know what I'm saying? And then I will hit this cushion here also. And then we'll just let her sit for about 5 minutes, come back and glue her up. Okay, it's been just a couple of minutes, and we'll pull this nice and tight. Looks like I lined her up just about perfectly. And we'll squeeze it together. Again, we're not looking for like a structural bond here, okay? We're just looking to hold it on there so it doesn't move around. And that's what it appears to have done. All right, so I could bore you with doing the same thing for the other 3 cushions, but I'm not gonna do that. There are 2 cushions, 3 in total. I'll just do them and then I'll come back after I'm done with those. All right, so they're all glued up, and you can see that this goes around one end here, but does not go around the other. So we wanna make sure that this end is at the front. And how do we know which one's the front? The front is the side opposite of the zipper, right? Because the zipper you're gonna want on the back side so it doesn't rub up against your leg. So, with this newly sized one, it's gonna be a tight fit, I can just tell, okay? So we're gonna put it on, we're gonna put the part that rolls over on top here, and we're gonna slide this guy on this way so that the zipper will be in the back. And I'm sure this is gonna be a struggle and a tight fit. And I don't know how I'm gonna do it because I've never done one before. So I guess we just get it lined up as well as we can get it lined up and push it in there. Okay, I'm gonna rotate this around a little more on this end. Yeah, she's very tight. Okay. There we go. Let's see if I can do it just a little at a time, maybe. I want to make sure that, oh yeah, this is going to work, I think. I can only go a couple of inches at a time, then I got to flip it over, but you know, to keep it straight. Otherwise you're going at a hypotenuse here and it's longer, it's gonna get tighter on you. So a couple inches at a time, but not too bad. Want to take it easy on that zipper too. Don't want to break that. Okay. Just coming towards the end here. Getting a little tight. Okay. This foam comes in a number of different densities. I think it's the 40, which is what they call it, high density foam. And they suggested that it would be good for couch cushions. So that's what I got. All right, let's see what we have here. Again, this is just a little plastic zipper, and I'm concerned that I'm going to break it. So, or, you know, skip it off the teeth, whatever. So, I'm taking my time here. Boy, I cut these things just about right, I think. It's a tight fit, but I was able to get it on, like you could tell, without too much ado. Let's torque this guy down a little bit. Tuck him in. There we go. Boy, it fits better than I could have expected. Nice and taut. Okay, anyhow, we will do 2 more, and then I'll bring you back when I get it back on the couch. You can watch my dog lay on it. All right, all done. What a difference. Night and day. You don't just, it doesn't crumble underneath you now. There's a little bit of firmness to it. I could sleep on this all night. It's Matilda approved. She likes it. I think she just likes the new smell, but whatever. Anyhow, easy, simple. Kitchen knife, T-square, a little glue, and $40 worth of foam. What a deal. Anyhow, couch is good for another 10 years. Thanks for joining me. If you like this kind of stuff or like the stuff that I regularly do, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, share it with your friends, all that kind of stuff. Adios, thanks for watching. That's it.